Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for September 2020. Let's begin. Okay. So, the first thing on top is this card. It tells us what variation number I got, and I got variation number 47. The theme is glam vibes only, and it also has a list of the products I received and their retail value. Okay. Oh, and also has their Instagram hashtags too. That's cool. Okay. So, the first item in the box is this Luna Magic Los Angeles, New York makeup brush set. Let's see. Yeah, Luna Magic Beauty Blended Girl 4-piece brush set, and this retails for $18. Okay. Oh, I like that it's colorful. This is what the brushes look like. So you have this big blending brush, pack-it-on brush, detail brush, and this is a blending brush as well for the crease. So let's see. Let's have a closer look at these. Okay. They feel like medium quality. I wouldn't say they're the worst or the best, but they would definitely get the job done. So this is what they look like. Okay. The next item in the box is this Huda Beauty eyeliner, and this is a Lifeliner dual pencil and liquid liner. So, and this retails for $25, and it's waterproof, smudge proof. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like. So you pull for this eye pencil. Okay, it's this black liner. Okay, and for this side you twist it for the liquid liner. And it's actually a brush. Okay, interesting. Okay, it's black again. It's a very thick line. I don't know. For me, it's really hard to use brushes to do a really good line. But, I mean, if you practice, you'll be good. But yeah. Okay. That's that liner. The next item in the box is this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. And this retails for $85, and you leave it on for only 2 minutes, so it shouldn't be on your face for too long. Oh my. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Okay. The next item in the box is this Phase Zero Blush and Bronzer Trio. And this retails for $42. stuck in there. Okay. This is what it looks like. It actually comes with a mirror. So it has the bronzer, this shimmery blush, and this matte blush. Okay, so let's try that. So that's what they look like. And those are the swatches. They're not too dark, so it is for lighter skin. Okay. And there is one last item in the box. It is the Blink Evening Glamour Palette. Let's see, and this retails for $26. Oh, and this has a mirror as well. So this has two blushes in there as well. I guess you can use this bottom one as a bronzer in a way. And these are the eyeshadows. They're very pretty. So let's see how they swatch like. These are the first three colors. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oops. That's what they look like. Oh, this white one's patchy. Okay. Yeah, these aren't. I don't know, it depends. Swatches don't always tell the whole story, so it might be good as eyeshadow, but it's not swatching the best. You could always wet the metallics though. Okay, so yeah, see, they're not as strong. So if you like subtle eyeshadow, then you would like it, because it's definitely not an intense shade. Okay, and then the last two are this and this. So the blushes, which can be used as eyeshadow as well, right there. So yeah, that's the last item in the box. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!